episode of Becoming Untamed and Unafraid. I'm your host of this YouTube channel. My name is Millie Martinez. I'm an intuitive business strategist, certified law of attraction coach, and energetics healer for service-based entrepreneurs. Today, I'm sharing with you 7 easy steps for using gratitude to manifest your desires. We're going to get straight into it because that's how I do. So look, manifestation can be difficult, can be easy, can be fun. At the end of the day, if you know what you're doing and you start with a grateful heart, that will actually amplify your manifestation results, okay? So if you have been practicing the law of attraction or manifestation and haven't seen the results that you would like, then these 7 steps are definitely going to be useful to you, okay? So let's go straight into the steps. Step 1 is to stop looking for what's wrong with your situation, okay? Whether you're struggling for money, struggling to pay bills, lost your job, having difficulty finding a new job, maybe difficulty getting a promotion, anything that's going on in your life or in your business that's not going the way that you would like, stop looking at the wrong stuff. Stop looking at the bad stuff. I know it's there. I totally get it. I've been where you currently are. Situations are bad sometimes, okay? But if we focus on the bad, we're going to create more of it, okay? Our brain is actually designed to amplify what we focus on. So if you start focusing on the good stuff, you are going to receive more good stuff. And then also, you'll be able to be in gratitude and step into that feeling of being grateful for what you do have and the good things that have been happening in your life, the good things that are in your life. And then by focusing on that, by focusing on the good stuff, naturally, you will amplify those results, okay? Step 2 is to know that your desires are already done, okay? It's not a matter of if, but when, right? And if you truly understand that your desires are a done deal, then you're going to find it easier to be grateful for them, okay? We do live in this physical reality where we are governed by time, how long something takes, years, months, days, weeks, right? But in the spiritual world, in the energetic world, there is no time. Time is endless. And so stop focusing on when it's going to happen. Know, understand, believe, step into knowing 100% that when it is the right time, your manifestation will appear, okay? When it is the right time, your manifestation will appear. So that's what's behind the whole ask for it, you shall receive it. Stop thinking about when it's going to happen and just know that it's going to happen, okay? The third step is to cultivate joy. So joy, happiness, love, those are the highest frequency emotions that we use to manifest faster, okay? If you look, every emotion has an energetic frequency. And if you look at the scale of all the emotions, joy, love, the highest vibrational energetic frequencies. Depression, anger, fear, all the negative ones will actually lower your energetic frequency and make it difficult for you to manifest because that energetic frequency, that wave of energy, blocks the good energy, which is why these steps are really important. Okay, so cultivate more joy. Look at where you can find more joy in your life. Do things that are fun for you. Go out, go have some fun. You know, don't sit at home thinking about your manifestations. Go out and enjoy life a little bit, okay? Number 4 is to compliment, not complain. When you catch yourself complaining or about to make a complaint, task yourself with seeing something great, something positive in whatever it is or whoever it is that you're complaining about, okay? When we look at the energetic frequencies of emotion, joy, happiness, all that stuff has all the highest frequency of emotion, right? Complaining actually has a low vibrational frequency. Now, there's a big difference between complaining because something just happened. Like, you know, if you just stubbed your toe, oh man, I can't believe I stubbed my toe. Okay, let it go, let it process. But if you spend the whole day, if you catch yourself complaining the whole day, then you need to sit with that. You need to sit with that, process that, and try to shift your perspective into what is the positiveness, something positive that can come out of what's going on right now in your life and your business, so that you can shift that perspective from a negative to a positive, okay? All right, step number 5 is to stop, sit, and breathe. When you're mindful, you begin to see the beauty in the madness. And I promise you, there is beauty in the madness. It's actually quite interesting how we can't really understand our lives going forward, but looking backwards, our lives make lots of sense. We can see where we went wrong. We can see where something really bad that happened to us turned out to be something amazing, right? So if you can try to see the beauty in whatever it is that's going on around you, more of that, more of the beauty will reveal itself to you. Also, more of why it's happening, more of the reason why the madness is happening right now in your life and in your business. There's a reason there, something that you need to learn. Is it something that you're missing? And when you practice that mindfulness, you get still, and I call it the art of doing nothing. And so I do this with my clients, where I sit and I tell them to practice the art of doing nothing, to sit still, to let go, to just embrace and love and fill your life and space with gratitude and peace. And the art of doing nothing when there's chaos going on around you, it's actually a difficult thing to do, because naturally we want to react. And if someone, it's like when someone attacks you, you want to protect yourself, you want to attack back. And that's actually contradicting and not helpful with energy. When it comes to energetic frequency, you don't want to return that negative energy. You don't want, because then all you're going to do is continue that energetic frequency. You're going to continue the cycle of negativity, continue the cycle of chaos. So I suggest that for this step, you sit, you stop, and you breathe, okay? And just let it process, all right? Number 6 is to practice being grateful for all the good that you have in your life. And I know we talked about this a little bit in the beginning of the video, but it really is one of the key steps to practicing the law of attraction. And so what I suggest my clients to do is, when they wake up in the morning, while they're making their coffee or their tea, just to make a mental note, to write it out in their journal, or to speak it out loud, just a few sentences of what they're grateful for that day. It doesn't have to be like 100 different things. It could be, 5 or 10 things that you're grateful for every day. And what that's going to do, it's going to create that energetic frequency that you're looking for to manifest, okay? Gratitude creates that shift in manifestation that will continue to tether you to your manifestation, okay? Because the universe interprets your gratitude into something that you want more of. It's like, oh, she likes this. This is making her happy. I want to continue to make her happy, so I'm going to give her more of this, okay? Number 7 is to stop with the jealousy and the judgment. If you're the kind of person who criticizes other people, other business owners about anything that they do, why them, not me? Why is business easy for them? Why is it so difficult for me? What's going to happen is, like, that sort of disdain also is a low vibe energetic frequency. And what's going to happen is, because you're going to be so wrapped up in that negative thought process and that negative belief of jealousy and judgment, that you're not going to see the opportunities that the universe is going to send your way, because you're going to be so blocked visually, emotionally, mentally with the energetic frequency of jealousy and judgment that you really are not going to see that. You're not going to see opportunity. You're not going to go through your day with high vibe energy. I want you guys to do this as an exercise, okay? Take a look at the last few times that you've been negative, whether it's jealousy, whether it's judgment, whether it's stress, frustration, and look back at how it affected the rest of your day. Were you eager to work on your business for the rest of the day? Were you eager to have sales conversations? Were you eager to tell people about what you do? How about just doing the basic marketing that you do in your business? Were you eager to do that? Probably weren't. You probably had this energetic frequency of frustration and anger, right? And so what happens is, if you are riddled with jealousy and judgment towards other people, you're going to carry that energy into whatever else you do for the rest of the day. So instead, what I want you guys to do is to enjoy it with them. Okay? If you see someone manifesting something amazing for their life and their business, man, support them. Support them. And believe that, you know what? So-and-so just got her manifestation. This business owner, this service-based entrepreneur just got fully booked out. Wow, that is totally possible for me too. Thank you, universe, for showing me that it's possible. Please show me what I have to do next. What are my next steps so that I can also have a booked out calendar? Please, please show me what I need to do. I know now that it's possible. You guys see the difference in the jealousy and the judgment, turning that over into a different perspective? So this is what I want you guys to do today, and continue to do that. When you see something good happening to other people, see that as a confirmation that it is possible for you too. And it'll definitely shift your energetic frequency, your mindset, your emotions, and it'll shift your behavior, because then you're going to be eager to show up for your business and show up for yourself, instead of closing the computer and walking away with frustration, right? So thank you for joining me for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.